If you already set up Lightroom on the previous computer, this is what you're going to need to do to get it set up now. This is going to look different on each of the machines potentially, so do the best you can to figure out what we're doing. So up here at the very top, you have your Creative Cloud. You're going to come down and you're going to choose Lightroom Classic and you're going to choose Open. Now I just tried this for the first time on a machine that did not have Lightroom open, and it took about 5 to 6 minutes for it to fully run through and do its load. And then it also was taking you on a little tour. I'm not going to have you watch this entire video and watch me take this long, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video for a moment while this is loading up. All right, so I'm back now. If you didn't pause it until you get to have your screen look somewhat like this. Your name will be up there because you've signed into the cloud. But what we need to do is we need to now actually go to the catalog that's in your photo folder that we just synced from Google Drive. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to come up here to the top and you're going to do Open Catalog. In theory, we only have to do this when we change computers. It should automatically default to the correct location. Right now, this built one into the Pictures folder, which is not where we want things to go. You want to go to Photo, so that's why I put the favorite over here in the previous video. You're going to go to Lightroom, and I'm going to go down to the one that has my name and catalog. Inside of there, there's only one that's highlightable. It's LR-CAT, that's Lightroom Catalog. So when you click on that, you can click Open. And this is asking, do you want to relaunch with the catalog? Yes. I'm going to do Don't Show Again. I'm going to hit Relaunch. Now this is going to close Lightroom and then it's going to relaunch it. Go ahead and pause the video for a moment, and once Lightroom is open, go ahead and hit Unpause. So as I was recording this, this message came up. So if you have this message come up, go ahead and choose Allow. And then we're going to wait for Lightroom to open. So I'm going to pause it again. Okay, so that took a couple of minutes for mine to load. If you happen to have a lot more photos in there, it may have taken longer. But now that this is set up, this is going to link to all of your photos. If you click on these photos and you happen to see a question mark on here, I think it's a question mark, or it might be an exclamation point, let me know and I'll show you how to fix that later. Again, with these, this is just a preview of the image. It's not the actual real file. So if you come over here where the catalog is, if you see anything that says missing photos, let me know and I'll help you. Let's go ahead and when we download pictures, we need to make sure when we're getting them off the camera, we're going to want to make sure that when we do the import, we always want to be on copy. You can go ahead and choose allow, okay. We're always going to be on copy, but we're going to need to change the location of where the stuff is going to go. We're actually going to put it into your Google Drive, and we're going to put them into your photo folder. But in a future video, when I show you how to do the import off of the camera, I'll have you change those settings. But just be aware, always on copy, always going to Google Drive, and we'll find the Photo 1 folder that you have saved in here, and that's the location that we're going to save things to. That's really important that we do that.